What's up, guys? This is Sonic 3D Blast Dude here. I'm on the Brooklyn-bound G train. Where you left Court Square. The next stop is going to be 21st Street, Van Alst. Right now, I'm in the process of helping a person get to Classon Avenue, which is in Brooklyn. Okay, we are now leaving 21st Street, Van Alst. That means that the next stop is Greenpoint Avenue. That means we're leaving Queens and entering Brooklyn. Okay, we are now leaving Greenpoint Avenue. That means we're already in Brooklyn. The next stop is Nassau Avenue. Okay, we are now leaving Bedford Nostrand Avenues. That means the next stop is Classon Avenue. Alright, man, this is Classon Avenue. Alright, this is Classon Avenue.
Thank you, my brother.
You're welcome. That's it for this adventure. This is Sonic 3D Blast Dude. I'll see you in the next adventure.